So this is them pins we got from the BT plugs, and the total was 350 grams. I'm gonna try to do the electronic way. Electricist, is it? I can't remember what you call it now. Never done it before, seen it online. I bought this a few years ago. I'm just going to use salt and bottled water. Let's see if it works. I made this by putting two bowls together to get the shape. It's just some copper mesh, and there's a bit of lead there. So you've got a plus there and a minus there. So this is all new to me, no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to go for it. Put about 6 tablespoons of salt in there. Table salt. I'm not even sure if it's the right salt, but we'll try it. Just trying to dissolve it now. So I've been stirring this salt for about 5 minutes. I think I've got most of it in the water, but next time I'll probably add it to some hot water first to dilute it a lot easier. Right, I've put it all in the bowl or casserole dish. I managed to get all the salt was diluted with the water, so I've got no idea what voltage to put it on. I'm going to try a small voltage, like 6 volt to start with, and we'll add the pins and see how it looks. So I put it on 6 volts, 3.5 amps I think that is. Fizzing away here. I've put some in to see if there's anything going to happen. Can't see much happening, so I'm going to turn the voltage up a little bit. It's just gone very cloudy now. It could be because the copper I was using was a bit dirty. I tried to clean it, but it'd been left out with the acids, so it wasn't good. See if it's getting hot. Not yet. Got it on 7 volts, 4.6 amps. We're fizzing away. Oh, fan's just come on now. Didn't even know I had a fan. Okay, it's starting to go white. What I like about this is no acids involved. It's just salt and water. If it works, that's brilliant. Save loads of money on nitric acid. Plus it's hard to get nitric acid in England. Unless you got a licence. Or unless you make it yourself. Okay. Don't know if you can see that, but it's getting a lot clearer, a lot more silvery colour. I think I'm going to get myself some kind of spoon because I can't pick them up with this. So an update, I've put a lot more in there now, as you can see. And the water has now gone brown. I'm hoping that's gold that's coming out. And I've turned the voltage up and the ampage. Yeah, I'm liking the colour. So we'll see. Keep it going. Little update. I think I messed up. I'm not sure if this is working properly because when I turn the voltage up, it does not go up. And the amps is the same as the voltage, near enough. But what's happened is, I must have put it on too high and it's eating the basket. That's what they look like now. So they look only half done. So I'm gonna have to come up with a different idea. I think the mesh is not really good for the pins because they get stuck in the holes and you can't really stir it properly. So I'm going to use some copper plating and do some kind of basket with the copper plating. Try that next. So that was a fail. That's the pins now. That's the other half that haven't been done. That's the water, which is probably mainly copper. And that's the copper that it ate. A bit of lead. So I'm going to have to come up with a different idea. The same principle, but I'm going to use, I've got a copper saucepan. I'm going to try and convert that into something that I can use. So we'll try again soon.